All right, I'll talk to you later. Oh, what's up, man? Just got done doing my taxes.
Oh, you got the fanny! No way!
Are you okay?
See, it's a myth. It's a whole myth. Conspiracy. It's puking. What up, guys? Welcome to Appalachian Mountain in North Carolina. I've never been to North Carolina. I'm super stoked. This mountain looks sick because this is it. One run, park there, run over there. Two more park, another run. It's not that big, but it's gonna be sick. The crew, we got Benton. Chris is strapping in, Ski Doc. Today's gonna be sick. I'm so excited.
Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up.
Guys, this place is insane. It's a 3 rail line, but they're like money rails. And those Red Bull features in the middle, I've dreamt of coming and riding those features. So this is sick. We're gonna lap the park a little bit, like the rail park a little bit. Then they got jumps over here. More parks somewhere else. Oh, I'm so excited. And we're picking up a crew, which is the best part.
Hey, snag the fanny pack.
Get the fanny. Oh, you got the fanny. No way.
Pack.
Linked in the description. Let's go. It's puking!
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but the embarrassment of you laughing at me.
He's like, don't put that on Instagram. I just fell on everything. It just eats it.
All right, East Coast, I got a bone to pick with you guys because this is my second time coming and ripping the East Coast. It's puking. The snow is amazing. I haven't seen any ice. The Ice Coast, like, come on.
Hey, man, it's all myths.
Dude, it's a myth. It's a whole myth. Conspiracy. It's puking. Puking, Chris. We're separating me and Benton because he won't stop touching me.
He's already touched you 11 times.
Chris
11
is counting.
times.
He's just... he won't stop touching me.
Yeah! Woo! Let's go.
Chilling. What's up, man? Right?
Nice to meet y'all, man.
What's going on?
Nice to meet you, man.
I'm so stoked. We aced that board slide on that down flat down rail. I'm hyped on that. And that was a good rail session for sure. I'm feeling good. I feel like I'm kind of getting into flow. Everything's vibing. So we're gonna head over to the jumps now. And well, first we're gonna go to the top of the mountain. Then we're gonna go to jumps. We'll probably lap this little 3-seater. There's like 3 lifts here. It's sick. 3 lifts for what 1 lift could get to. I'm all about that.
Yeah?
Oh, the jump looks big.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
messing around. Calling all you freaks and nerds. You're just missing what you want. My brother's going down the drain. My sister's living the dream. But everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind. But everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time. My daddy was a gambling man with no strategy. Who cares about him anymore? Guess we never really settled the score.
He landed and then like slid
I
out.
landed like this
Yeah.
and rode away like this. I can't believe you one-footed that huge jump. All right, so those jumps they feel huge. It's a really flat light out right now, so it's like, I don't really know where I am. Do you know where you're at on the jumps?
No, I'm just taking off, spinning, and landing.
They're smooth, they're good jumps. They just can't see anything, so flat light is puking. But thankfully the speed's still there. But yeah, they're super poppy, they're super floaty, and they're kind of scary. But you know what else is super poppy, super floaty, and kind of scary? Today's sticker shout out! These guys. We got Mike La Lima with the red sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. As well as Neem with the gold sticker on the helmet. Looking sick. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers, supporting the channel, making these trips possible. If you guys want an Evolution sticker, they're all linked in the description, as well as hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of the Evolution merch. We have beanies. I don't know if you guys knew that. We have Evolution beanies, we have hats, so much stuff. That's all linked down below. And if you do snag it, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, yeah. So, but also follow the Instagram. It's where I post bonus extra content. You would know I'm in North Carolina shredding App Mountain if you followed my Instagram. So check out the Instagram, support the channel, get bonus extra content. You don't want to miss out on the Instagram. That being said, Benton has a YouTube channel and an Instagram. Give the boy a follow. And so does the Ski Dog.
Woo! Let's go.
Dude, today's sick. Let's keep sending it.
Surprise! Awesome!
All right, on the note of Benton doing a Superman backflip, we're good on those jumps. They're fun. They're really good jumps. It's just not an ideal jump day with it being a flat light and snowing. But dude, the snow's super fast. It's super soft. The rails are sliding super good. This is a sick, sick day. It's a wet day though.
It's so wet.
You're so wet. I'm so wet. It's
like
snowing, but it feels like rain. Like rain snowing? I don't know. It's sick. I'm so happy. Fun fact about North Carolina, this is the state that Bobby wanted to move to so bad. She's like, "Can we move to North Carolina? I want to live in North Carolina." She wanted to move here so bad. And I said, "No, we've stayed in Summit." And I started the YouTube channel. Now the YouTube channel needs to stay in Colorado. But yeah, Bobby's wanted to come out here. She wanted to make this trip too, but it just wasn't gonna happen with, there's a long travel day to get up here. Because you gotta land like 3 hours away and then drive 3 hours here, and then we missed our connection because our first one was delayed because it was snowing in Colorado, and it was just a big mess. But we're here, North Carolina. I'm stoked. You guys are stoked too. We literally got like 6 people riding with us right now.
Yeah, it's a crew.
It's a crew. Let's go.
hit the camera.
All right, guys, these rails are so sick, and I couldn't imagine if they had all of these rails in. That one's taller than me. They have like 30 rails here, 36 more up top. They have so many rails at this place. This park is fire. But we're gonna do chipmunk through the rails, and then we're gonna go rip some turns because the snow is really good. They have a nice section. Looks like we're good for carving, and we might get in the trees a little bit. It looked like we saw some trees that were rideable, so it's all gonna be fun. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk Benton is a big old wet pile of wet. I'm doing good because I bought this jacket again, by the way, because I ruined it when I tacoed, if you don't remember. That's how I broke my ribs. And so I'm feeling good. I'm not that wet. My gloves are a little soggy. But Benton basically went swimming today.
If I jumped in a lake, I'm pretty sure I would get drier.
So anyways, this resort has been so much fun. The tree run that we were just doing was sick. The park was fire. The rails, those are probably the best rails we hit.
Those were
all,
so sick.
all season. They were built so well. The flat cannon with the little landing, it was so good.
We did some sick tricks too.
And the jumps were heavy, terrifyingly heavy. But we had a good day. So big shout out to Appalachian Ski Resort, Ski Mountain, I think is the name. They brought us out. They hooked us up. So guys, thank you so much for having us out here. We love coming and checking out these small, tiny ski resorts. If you live in North Carolina or anywhere near here and you want a sick place to ride, this place is the place to do it. And I keep saying it when I go to these small mom and pop shops, but this is just as good as Colorado. If you want to get good at snowboarding, this has everything you need to get good at snowboarding. They had sick jumps, incredible rails. So we had a great time. Well, we are going to film a how to snowboard with style video. But yeah, I'm just trying to help you guys get a little bit more style in your riding. It'll be good. So we'll do that and then we're out of here. Oh, you got trigger mitts too. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, that's what I like. Linked in the description, coupon code. All right, folks, that's it. That's all. What a sick day. I had so much fun snowboarding here. Started with a heavy rail session, then we did a scary jump session, went back to the rails, did another sick session, rode some trees. We're gonna do some turns, but Benton's just a big old popsicle right now. So we got 2 more days right now here, and they're gonna be sunny, so we won't get as wet. And this is why I always bring pro tip for you, I always bring 2 pairs of outfits on trips, especially out to the East Coast or places I think it's gonna rain on me. 2 jackets, 2 pants, everything other than boots. And so I can just swap it all out. Hopefully Benton can dry his. Oh yeah, I got the floppy hand too. Bloop, 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 bloop. Let's go.
Nice to meet you.
How was your day?
Not bad.
Good.
Broken arm.
All right, so this is something that you would never see at a Colorado ski resort. What? A Mustang. At least in January. All right, guys. I don't know what else to say other than we got 2 more days in North Carolina. They're gonna be sick. We got beach tomorrow, sugar the next day. I'm just so thankful and blessed to be out here. Big shout out to Chris for he's the one that talked us into it. He's like, yo, come on out. I was like, all right. that's how the conversation went. Yep. And he's taking us to this place called Bojangles. Bojangles?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go over there. I'll let you guys know in the next video how that went. But it's not gonna work. It's not gonna go well with my diet, but we're gonna eat it. and I'm excited. I did make sure too though to swing in and get my pin for this mountain. If you guys didn't know, I grab a ski resort pin at every ski resort that we go to that has them. Some places actually don't have pins, which is a bummer, but our goal is to ride every ski resort in the United States. We're knocking 3 out in North Carolina, which is awesome. And if you want to get a little pin or start collecting pins at all the ski resorts that you go to, I have an Evolution pin. So snag the Evolution pin, start your collection with the Evolution pin, and it's super sick. So that pin is linked in the description as well as any of the stickers, hoodies. You guys know the spiel. All right, enough talking. Bojangles time. We'll see you guys tomorrow. So wait, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, this video's over. Peace.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.